Like one of the scholars, they said that many people, the majority, are acting like Pharaoh in their own sphere. They are Pharaoh even now. Pharaoh had power over Egypt. They have maybe power over their own body. They are acting as a Pharaoh. I'll do whatever I like. They have power over little bit, maybe over their family, over their house or whatever. They are completely acting like Pharaoh. Pharaoh, what did Pharaoh say? I will do whatever I want, and I will unleash anger to whoever stands up against me. That's what's happening in family units and in society, in gangster. It's same thing happening in gangster world, meaning they also want control and you may say resources. So these people all are really in deception. They think they are doing something beneficial for themselves, rather they are harming. Actually they are harming more themselves, and their victims are being harmed, but they will be compensated by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And these people have to then stand in the presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not only answer in the court of Allah. You don't answer, you have to taste the result and consequence. Here in this dunya, no one can make you suffer as actually a person. Let's say now I don't know, in many countries, one person gets up in the plane or orders a bomb, a missile kills 100 children. Now if that person is held accountable in the world court, what will they do? The harshest punishment they can give, capital punishment. Okay, he will be killed, or he will be hanged, or he will be given an injection. But that's one person. How this, he can't pay for even one baby he has killed. He destroyed that life of that baby as it was supposed to live so long, 60, 70 years. So if this person is killed in punishment, what good does it do to the baby? Even one baby. And if other person have killed 100, then so a person cannot. Now Allah Azza wa Jal subhanahu wa ta'ala, what we are talking about today, the Arafah, the Maidan of Arafah. Allah Azza wa Jal subhanahu wa ta'ala, He can also make myself, yourself, anyone can real taste the punishment of 100 killings or 100 babies, because He can make us last millions of years in the hellfire, and He can also compensate that baby to give that baby a paradise, such pleasurable life forever one cannot imagine. Human can't deliver justice as such. They can, to a level they can, and if they don't do that, they are also responsible. But the real ultimate justice, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala can do only, not human being. As I said, the government, the world, they can only punish a person given harsh punishment or capital punishment. After that, what they can do? They can't.